Welcome back to a very wet Portland International Raceway with Audi, with the Porsche Club for their second or third event. I don't remember. Anyway, trying out new tires on the Audi today. I've got the Michelin Pilot Sport, the PS4s. Brand new. I've got maybe 20 miles on them. So we'll see how they do. Damn, the car looks good. Anyway, a lot of cool cars coming out here. It's gonna be very wet, so hopefully my all-wheel drive will give me a little extra bit. Got the Subaru STI on Pretenzas. See how they do with that all-wheel drive. The RS3, I don't see them here today. They were here at the last event. I was hoping to see how my car stacked up against the RS3, but we'll see what happens. Time to do a course walk. So we just got done with the first run group. I'm gonna go get in my car and about to run, but look how wet it is. You can see the wind moving the rain across course. It's real wet, real wet. You can see it's like a lake coming through here. It's gonna be real interesting, but you know, Audi all-wheel drive hopefully does the trick. So I tried out this new camera placement just to see how things go. And I think it looks pretty cool actually. It gives you a little perspective on how fast we're actually going. I mean, yeah, the course is super wet right now, so the course is not as fast as it could be. But normally when the camera is on the outside of the car, it makes it seem like going a lot slower than I am. But the conditions were so wet. Got some outside footage later of this run, and you see that there's water splashing everywhere. But actually was able to do pretty good with the car. Have a faster run near the end of this video. But this gives a little perspective of how fast and how much the car's moving in the wet. You can see I'm really struggling to keep the car straight, but got it done. So it's still freaking pouring outside. Actually, I think it's getting worse. I just did it. I freaking smashed it out of the park. Got a 41.8. The next closest car to me was from this morning at 43 or something, or 42. I don't know. They're a ways away. So definitely RS5 with PS4s just destroys, and we're driving in straight up lakes out here. Also, check out my camera rig. I've got the that's the Bluetooth receiver, or not that's the Bluetooth GPS receiver. That's what's giving me the feedback for the overlays. And then I got the camera set up here. My little cords tied up so that way they're not dangling around. And yeah, I didn't want to put the camera outside, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to see the steering wheel and everything else that's with the video. So yeah. Time to, I guess, watch other cars drive out on the or boat out on the lake. See ya. All right, so it stopped the torrential downpour long enough for me to get some outside video of the cars. My last run was fucking awesome. I did a 41, which puts me like 3 seconds above second place. Really showing that Audi all-wheel drive and PS4s really do a good job. Let's check out some of the other cool cars here. Another Audi S4 hanging out here. This Corolla GT, so that's a pretty interesting car out here. They're new, seeing how they're doing. The Golf R, doing pretty good. I got some Teslas out here. And lots of Porsches, obviously. It's Porsche Club. Doing good. Get some good runs. So I guess if you're good at doing things on the lake, you'll do good out here. So this morning has been plagued with timing issues, and this seems like more of the same. We've been sitting here for probably 2 or so, maybe 3 minutes, still waiting. No one's moving. I don't know what's going on, but man, Porsche Club really having a lot of problems today with their timing. Can't wait to get out the course. Hope the car doesn't get too hot sitting here. Well, that's going to be a rerun. They're still digging the cone out from underneath Jack's car over there. He hit a lot of cones. I guess I got a rerun. My one dry run. So I show the guy destroyed the course on my perfect launch, and I had to stop, turn around, and every single cone on course was gone. Every cone. All of cone. That cone, that cone, that cone, that cone, that cone, and I think of 2 others or 3 others in here. All gone. And one of them was still under his car when it got here. I know. Car just finished and the timer's still running. Everybody's crowded around timing. They broke timing again. Timing. How many times are they gonna break timing? Well, it's starting to rain out there. I'm gonna take my rerun as soon as they're done here. I've got the car cooling down. The you can look how discolored the turbo pipings are, and how discolored this is compared to what it's supposed to be. It gets so hot under there. Hopefully, I don't know. It's pretty wet out there. I'm a little pissed off. That last run, I hit one of the cones out there. I did a 40.5, but I hit a cone. Fuck. If Jack wouldn't have taken out those cones, there's a whole kinds of things. Yes, racing, whatever. But I had it. Pushing a little too hard, I hit that damn cone. Just goes to show you, if you can get the computer to stop kicking in and cutting your boost, you can do a really good time with a really heavy car. Anyway, thanks for watching. Can't wait for the next one to see what happens.